Welcome back my YouTube channel JK Auto 586. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 2025 is a modern take on a timeless classic. Designed to honor its iconic predecessor while embracing modern engineering and technology, this vehicle is a masterpiece for off-road enthusiasts and vintage car lovers alike. Starting with the exterior, the FJ40 2025 retains the boxy, rugged silhouette that made the original famous. Its upright stance, bold fender flares, and retro-inspired round LED headlights immediately evoke nostalgia. However, Toyota has integrated modern touches, such as a sleek grille with adaptive shutters, aerodynamic tweaks, and contemporary alloy wheels available in multiple sizes to suit different preferences. The exterior is available in classic colors like olive green and mustard yellow, alongside modern shades like metallic black and pearl white. Roof options include both hardtop and a modular removable soft top, ensuring versatility for every adventure. Stepping inside, the interior perfectly blends vintage charm with modern convenience. The dashboard pays homage to the original design with a simple layout, but it now incorporates a high-definition touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Premium leather upholstery is standard, with optional heritage-inspired stitching. The cabin offers a surprising amount of space, with foldable rear seats that expand cargo capacity. The instrument cluster combines analog gauges with a digital display, providing essential information at a glance without compromising the retro aesthetic. Practical touches, like waterproof materials and durable rubber floor mats, make it clear that this vehicle is ready for off-road adventures. Under the hood, the FJ40 2025 packs a powerful yet efficient drivetrain. Buyers can choose between a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6